आज के ब्लॉग में जानते हैं पूप कॉफ़ी क्या होता है। पूप कॉफ़ी मतलब पॉटी से बनने वाली कॉफ़ी, और ये पॉटी से बनने वाली कॉफ़ी मंकी पॉटी से बनती है, कैट पॉटी से बनती है, एंड क्या है, एलिफेंट। एंड एलिफेंट पूप वाली तो सबसे ज़्यादा महंगी होती है। तो चलिए लेट्स जंप इन दिस इंटरेस्टिंग ब्लॉग एंड सी व्हाट्स देयर इन इट फॉर यू।
That fermentation takes place inside his digestive tract. Because of that fermentation, the coffee bean will become less acidic. Less acidic means naturally the bitterness will go. After that, it will make that poop. So we collect that poop. The beans will be soaked inside the water for one day. Then it will be washed and dried in the sunlight. This is the second most expensive coffee in the world today. We call this one as civet coffee, cat poop coffee, coffee luwak. But in India, by force, we won't breed this cancer because Indian government won't allow us to do that, since it is a wild animal. But if you see in Indonesia, in a place called as Bali, Sumatra, Java, by force they feed that cat. So this is the second most expensive. Around what we are selling here, around 12,000 rupees per kg. A cup of coffee, 400 rupees. We have 50 grams powder, 600 rupees. This is the second. And in Hindi, they call this cat as Sharmili Billi. It's a shy cat, nocturnal animal. Daytime it will sleep, nighttime it जागता है, it will come and eat this berries. सर बेरीज खाने के बाद किधर भी जाके पूप कर सकता ना. So we, सर हम लोग कैट से कुछ मतलब नहीं, पूप से मतलब है. So we search for the poop. Okay. So this is not for the cat, for the poop. ठीक है. So this is the second most expensive.
Is it there in this premises?
It comes, but it's a nocturnal. It comes during evening time or night time. It will come.
Reduces the caffeine content also?
No, that will be reduced. It will be reduced, right?
Caffeine content.
All content reduced. Okay. So not that much caffeine is there in that coffee. Okay? Less caffeine. Yeah. So it's a mild coffee, I can say. That's this thing. Yeah. So this is the second I'm saying, which is the number one. It's from elephant. Elephant poop coffees also. It's in Thailand. So by force they feed that elephant also. This is the most expensive coffee in the world today. We call this one as black ivory coffee. What's the rate in the market? According to Indian rupee, if you see, so around 75,000 to 1,50,000 rupees per kg. इतना महंगा coffee, so expensive है. Usually it goes to 5-star hotels. सर उधर कुछ पागल लोग ही लेते हैं, ठीक है. Like that is
Particular difference in taste.
थोड़ा possibility है, possibility is there. Okay. Like that, if you see in Brazil, maybe one bird is also there. That bird they call as jaco bird, sir. वो भी berries खाता है. From its scoop also coffee. Even from monkeys also. The monkeys will spit off that beans. Through that beans also coffee is made. Like that, different animal poop coffee world market. इसमें कौन सा चाहिए आपको? Panda है, giraffe है, zebra है. Recently from the
Who has invented this first? Who has invented this first?
It started from Indonesia. That
कि
story.
मतलब poop से coffee.
इसलिए देख लिया सर, पता नहीं क्या है, ठीक है. So this is what happened, but it's having the medicinal value, so वो भी पता है. Just civet coffee is good for migraine patient, oral cancer के लिए अच्छा है, even for ulcer patient also. Still research is going on this subject. Okay. Sir, एक और subject है related to coffee only. Now, do you know what is the primary crop in Coorg before coffee? Once Coorg was famous for oranges, and we used to call them as Coorg Mandarin. It was a skin tight fruit, not like Nagpur oranges. Nagpur का संतरा देखो loose skin वाला. This was a tight skin, thin skin. But 1980s, Coorg oranges got a disease. Usually that disease comes to citrus fruits. So because of the disease, the fruit will never get ripen. कभी पकता नहीं sir. इस वजह से bitter taste came to that fruit. At that time, everyone diverted to coffee, sir. So at that time, coffee plant was also there as a secondary crop. But primary crop was oranges. And we used to call the Coorg district as orange district, in like Nagpur. But if you taste flavor-wise, what's the difference between these two oranges? So if you taste Coorg oranges, in Hindi they call as khatta meetha, sourness and sweetness. Coorg oranges. आप लोग नागपुर का टेस्ट करो, only sweet है, मीठा है बस. तो but since that disease came, everyone has cut off that tree as well. They have diverted to coffee now. At present, coffee is the primary crop. But before 1980s, it was oranges here. नहीं, it's scientists क्या बोल रहे हैं? It's uncurable. So अगर cure हो गया, once again oranges might come here. Sir, अभी तक तो नहीं है, okay? But what they're doing now, they are planting that Nagpur oranges in Coorg. They are trying in Coorg. अभी हो रहा है, ठीक है? Let's see what will happen in the future. Okay? So this is a brief explanation I gave you, sir, about other plants. So next I'll be explaining about pepper. Let's go there.
ओ भाई, मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था जानवरों का ऐसा आवाज होता है कॉफी बनाने में। आई होप आपको ये ब्लॉग बहुत ही पसंद आया होगा, बहुत ही फनी लगा होगा। एंड अगर आपको पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए। एंड अंटिल द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग, बाय बाय एंड जय हिंद।